वो जो चल रहा है ना confrontation, and especially when you have an actor of Tamanna ji's caliber आमने सामने, क्या चल रहा था कैमरा बंद होने के बाद? What kind of discussions?
नहीं मैं बताती हूँ, ये मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं मतलब ग्रेट अचीव किया है जो वशिष्ठ. If you have to show how powerful divine is, you have to have the devil looking even more powerful.
Right.
And Vashishta, you are an amazing, brilliant actor. I had so much fun क्योंकि हम बहुत से टाइम ऐसे होते थे कि जब सिर्फ हम दोनों फ्रेम में होते थे एंड वो जितना एनर्जी देंगे उतना रिएक्शन मैं दे सकती हूँ. तो you know we are as good as our co-actor. So Vashishta, I don't think this film can happen and the devil can't look as good if it wasn't for you.
Right.
Thank you so much. I'm at loss of words. Hello everybody. कैसे हैं आप लोग? भाई साहब तमन्ना जी के बारे में बोले भी क्या हम? हमें I happened to watch her very first or second movie, Happy Days. I'm a fan of her since then. I never thought I will become an actor one day. And after becoming an actor, मैं कभी ये सोचा नहीं था कि तमन्ना जी के साथ एक्ट करूँगा मैं कभी. And all due credits for this script, this cinema should go to Mr. Sampath Nandi ji. मशहूर राइटर है. इतने ट्रेलर भी एक टीजर जैसा ही है. सिनेमा जब देखेंगे ना आप तब पता चलेगा. दिस इज सच अ पावरफुल मूवी, पावरफुल राइटिंग एंड पावरफुल मेकिंग. इन दोनों ने ये कॉम्बो जो खड़े हैं यहाँ पे, दे मेड दिस एक सिनेमा बोले तो एक प्रोजेक्ट बोले तो कम पड़ेगा. दिस इज वेरी मैसिव. दिस इज एन एक्सपीरियंस. ये एक्सपीरियंस के लिए ये लोग, these two are the stepping stone, base stone, whatever you call it as. And and that day when I met Tamanna ji on sets, and I was so like awestruck, taken aback just by looking at her in this attire. The Tamanna we know for all these years, this is a 20 years of legacy she's carrying, and she's not many. कितने लोग जानते हो आप ऐसे 20 साल से ऊपर हमें लगातार एंटरटेन करते आइए. And take a bow for that beautiful, amazing journey, inspiring journey. You're an inspiration to a lot of women. And when I saw her, it was as though she's doing her first movie. That obedient, that keen to perform, pull off whatever is written on the script. And if she is, if she wants to know something, she's so eager to learn that, know that, and then pull it off. And when she gives the take, that's magic again, we all know. And this I'm sure आप लोग थोड़े बहुत जानते हो मुझे शायद KGF के वजह से. KGF जैसे एक वो मास एक्सपीरियंस था, ये वाली सिनेमा ये डिवाइन एक्सपीरियंस होगा ज़रूर. आपको मूवी रिलीज होने के बाद फिर से मिलना चाहता हूँ. अगर काश थोड़ा वक्त होता हमारे साथ, मैं खुद डब कर लेता हिंदी में भी. And that couldn't happen unfortunately, but in my next one I'll be dubbing in Hindi too. Thank you so much. We need your wishes, blessings and support. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing all of that. Of course, Tamanna, I'll come to you. Such an iconic place. Gaiety mein hai.